assess it.
Well, first, car on. Oh. There you go.
It's not gonna do
No, no.
anything, is it? Yeah?
It'll go into my driving position. So it's in my driving position.
Okay.
So, move it to your driving position.
Yeah.
So you feel okay?
Yeah.
Feel like you know what you're doing?
No.
Like, feel like you're in position though?
I'm in position.
Okay, so head back slowly. Do your normal thing, you put your reverse camera. Just kind of get used to how it moves. Oh, it's vibrating your ass, isn't it?
Yeah.
So it's just taking you getting closer.
Whoa, that's good.
Yeah. Indicate, as always. Yeah. You're good. You're good. Full lock. Good. And then remember it's either right or this side. You want to be in the middle. It's a big car.
It's so big. I feel like a tank.
Yeah. You've got to make sure you turn way more than that.
Okay.
Yeah. That's fine. That's fine. Otherwise you're not going to get in. Cool. So then into park. All the way to pull more towards it. There you go.
Sweet. Thanks, babe.
It's nice. Good.
We're actually gonna die.
Huh?
We're going to the Golden Gate Bridge viewpoint so I can actually see the Golden Gate Bridge. We're trying to work out the roads. At Golden Gate Bridge, and it is as touristy as it can be, but it is really lovely. And now we're gonna head down to get coffee. Desperate for a coffee.
We have made it to wine country. Every time I get out of the car, door opens. Oh, bye. Every time. Every time.
Global protest. That's the most American thing I've seen. After much driving around, we found a vineyard. Woo! Hopefully they have white wine because I'm fussy and I don't like red wine, so we'll go and have a look. Okay, straight back out. Turns out Wine Valley's not for us, and we're heading where to now?
To buy a tent.
To buy camping stuff.
That's why wine country is not for us. Because we're buying a tent.
Hey guys! This is so mad. Found it? Arrived in Santa Cruz really late. It's like, well, not really late, like 9 o'clock, and we're staying in the most motel place. I mean, it has a pool, but the most motel place we could have found. I'm actually quite excited. The tank and the hillbilly. The absolute monster.